We could hold hands until we're dead, and all will be as friends. But girl, I really like you, so I'd rather just pretend that we sitting in bed with your jaw.
So I got this in the mail.
Now we will get some hand sanitizer because I just touched the box and that box was everywhere.
Okay guys, welcome back. It's Crystal. Today I'm gonna be doing a unboxing haul slash try on, and I ordered off Shein, which I'm sure most of you have heard of or like have seen on ads on Instagram. This is my first time ordering off Shein, and I ordered at least $115 worth of clothes and not accessories but like stuff for my room. The first thing is this. So this is a wall sticker and it says "You look good," and I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet because my wall is white and the sticker is white, so like I don't know. I think I might put it on my mirror.
So this is the mirror sticker. It looks kind of ratchet. I put it on like all fucked up, but it's okay because it still says the same fucking thing.
The second thing that was in here is this shirt that I got. So this shirt is a size extra small and it was $9. So this is what the shirt looks like, and I really like it. These strings, you can adjust them however you want.
Or you could just have it like that and you can tie it. You can do whatever.
Okay, so the next item is this yellow shirt. This is what it looks like. It's just one of these shirts. So the next item, this is the next shirt. It's just a black v-neck, and this
is a size extra small and it was only $9.
I honestly really like it. It fits me a little big and it's an extra small. Other than that, I really like it. Okay, this is this shirt.
I got this shirt in an extra small and it was only $5.
The next item is an accessory, and it's this bucket hat. This is only $5. It's kind of, holy fuck, this shit is big. It's like, I don't know, but I kind of like it. It's cute. Okay, so the next item, these headbands, and I got these to do my makeup. All my baby hairs always get in the way of my makeup, so I got these two. Okay, so this next shirt, it's an extra small. I really like this shirt. And it's like a spandex material. It's really comfortable. This next shirt is just a green tank top, and it's a size extra small like all my other shirts.
And it was $5.
So the next item, this, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's just a black tank top.
This is a size extra small and this was $6.
Okay, so right now I was trying on the shirts right after I took them out of the box and like I moved to film them, and I realized that's kind of like a waste of time, so I'm just gonna take everything that I got out, and then I'm gonna try it on after. So yeah, that's like why you're gonna see the difference in the video. But the next item I got is this.
This was $5.
And it's an extra small, and it kind of looks a little bit bigger than the extra small. I think this is gonna be a little bit too big. Sure fits better than I expected it to. It looked a little bit big when I took it out, but I like it. The next item I got is this jewelry holder, and I'm gonna set this up after and then put my jewelry on it so you guys can see it. So this is what the jewelry holder looks like.
And I just put these earrings on. And then those are like all the dangly earrings, and these are gonna be just this little earring.
I really like this. It's really cute. The item after that is this bag hook thingy, I guess.
It was $1 and it's for bags, and I'm gonna put this in my closet and I'll show you guys and put my bags on it so you guys can see what it looks like.
I don't know what this is, but oh yeah, this is the belt hanger to hang my belts because I just have them all over the place. And then the next thing I got is this poster, which I'll put up and show you guys. I'm gonna fill this whole wall with posters. Here's the poster thing. This is it. This goes hard as fuck. Like Mona Lisa, and then just some hugs in the back, sucking the fuck out of the lollipop. The next item that I got is this shoe storage rack. And I got this for my shoes. I picked the wrong size. I picked the size that was too small. So not all my shoes are gonna fit on it, and I'm still gonna have a bunch of shoes that are like all over the place.
Okay, so these are all my shoes, and this is the little shoe storage holder thingy.
And that's how it looks. The next item is blue shirt, and it's just a tee.
Or that was $5, and it's an extra small.
This next shirt. But the next item is this collared striped shirt, I think. And it has no buttons, so basically a v-neck kind of ish. And this is a size extra small, and this was $8. Okay, the next item
Is this white tee
with like these strings, an extra small, and it was $6. And then the next item is a white tube top. Oh shit. It's small as fuck, but it's stretchy. And the final item, which was $12, which was probably the most. Oh shit. Were these sandals.
and I think they're so cute. They remind me of like Doc Marten type sandals, but like the cheap version.
That I am. But these look like Doc Martens almost. It's like, but yeah, this is the last item, just these sandals. Alright, I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow my social medias. And if you guys are interested in any of the items that I purchased, I'll link everything below, so you guys can cop yourself some Shein items.